It's food inception. The food goes in here, then comes through there, then goes there, then out of there, then out of there, then back in there. To then go through. She eats their poop. So whenever she eats the poop, it goes back inside of her, then out of there, then through there, then out of them, then back in her. It's like a money glitch for food. Look at these guys. You having trouble here? I got you. Go this way. Now lift the leg up. It's a nipple right there. It's a nipple right there. It's a nipple right here. There you go. There you go. Look at this big dude. Hey, Dad. It's a family picnic.